सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार ಹೇಳಿ
सर ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ अब्बास।
जो हम टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं वो है 19 तारीख को पूना शहर में एक गाड़ी की टक्कर से दो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर को मौत हो जाती। वो दोनों सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर जस्ट 25 साल की थे और जो टक्कर मारने वाला था, गाड़ी चलाने वाला था, 12th पास किया है और उसका एज था 17 साल 8 महीना, यानी कि नाबालिग माइनर। तो उसका बाप ने कैसे उसको गाड़ी चलाने दिया विदाउट डीएल, विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन। और उसके बाद क्या होता है, जैसे ही एक्सीडेंट वगैरह हो जाती है, पुलिस उसको लेके जाती है थाने पे, मतलब 15 घंटे में उसको बेल मिल जाता है।
सब पैसे वाला है, उसके लिए उसको बेल मिल गया। आखिर गरीब लोग को रहे तो बेल तो नहीं मिलता। पैसे जो रिया तो दुनिया में क्या भी करी जा सकता है।
तो
उसके पास वो पैसे है, वो क्या वाला भी कर सकता है। ये इंसाफ नहीं है, ये पूरा राजकीय का सपोर्ट है। उसके घर पे जाके स्ट्राइक करना पड़ेगा। बताइए
सर ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
A. Raghunath Jadhav, advocate from
So-
Bangalore. See, nowadays what happening in the society and all, one who has committed the offence, he won't get any punishment from any this one authorities or from any court, because they are paying they are throwing the money.
Okay.
Within no second of the point of time, they will get the orders. Through online, they are applying and they are already cash hold of all the court shop and all. Through the they are got the bail and all, means it is very very injustice, cause great injustice to the society and to the people, and who as a victimized person here who lost the life, for them it is great injustice. So that I am condemning such as should not be happening in future, and whoever committed the offence, for him court has to give punishment without seeking any money or the influence or background or anything. But all are equal before law. No one is superior, no one is inferior to escape the clutches of law. In that case, it will be escape from the clutches of law, means the Article 19 of Indian Constitution given to us, that is fundamental right, is totally violation. So that we are, nobody is satisfied with that justice and all, and we are unhappy. This is injustice, unfair to the public of the Indians. Therefore, I am condemning these peoples and all, very strongly I am condemning. And should not do this people in future. Whoever commit the offence, immediately they should punish. They should be produced before the court and let them remain to the central jail or wherever to undergo the punishment. Police people also accept a bribe. Even the court shop also accept a bribe. Where how the innocent people get the justice.
Driving without DL, without registration.
Yes.
That car purchased from Bangalore.
Father having influence. He is a builder, no. He is having influence. And he is purchasing everything for money, and he is not bothering about the rules and regulation and all. And whatever it be rules and regulation, we follow as per the guidelines of the RTO. That all totally violated by these people, means they have already got influence with the RTO also from the Bangalore or from the Bombay, and thereby these people are not bothered, these not fearing about the rules and regulation. And only if they want money, with the money they get the orders. So it is very purely injustice to the public of the India or anywhere, any part of the state. So my request to the people of this India and to the concerned department, the legal department, enforcement, strictly follow the rules and regulation. Punish them whoever may be for that matter. Why you are leaving them by accepting the bribe and all? Within no point of time, how he will escape from the orders of the court orders, and without having valid license, that is DL and all, he is driving a car vehicle. How these police have permitted them?
That medical test, police got negative report.
Any certificate we can purchase for money. If you thrown money, they give good certificate for you. Even though you are consumed alcohol, in certificate what it says, he has not. It is become the totally lawless society in the India now.
Under the juvenile justice code, maximum punishment will be 2 years.
As per the provincial sections,
Yes.
that is 2 years. As per the IPC,
Yes.
as per provincial sections of IPC, he has to undergo 2 years punishment. But he will escape from the punishment by paying the bribe and penalty. But the court will do. They close the matter also.
ಪೂನಾ ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ 2 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 15 ಅವರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಯೋ ಅನ್ಯಾಯೋ
ಅದು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. ಸತ್ತವನ್ ಸತ್ತ ಬದುಕ ಅನ್ನಂಗಾಗೈತೆ. ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ ಈಗ. ಇದು ಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಗೆನ ಗೂಬೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೂಬೆನ ಕಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.